Alright, my friends, let's go ahead and style our application so we can make it a bit nicer. So the first problem and the most challenging problem that you'll face, it is this looking right here. So you can see the images here are not the same size. So we cannot go ahead and use, for example, display flex or any kind of this kind of stuff. We cannot use a grid right here because we do not know the height of each image, of each column, let's say. So we can specify it dynamically. Well, we could have used, for example, something like here, for example, in the component mount, when the images comes from our API, we can go ahead and fetch the height for each image and try to make a column for it. Well, that will be a lot of work. Let me show you a quick solution that we can go with. So here I have searched online and I found this library called React Grid Stack. If you search on something like this on Google, you will find this library right here, this one right here, the second one, not the first one, but the second one, where it says React-Stack-Grid. I'm also gonna attach this link in the video or in this video resources, so you can go ahead and click on it. You will be navigated to this npm package. Essentially, it's a package that will allow us to create this looking very easily. Now let me show you what I'm going to do. First of all, we need to go ahead and install this library using npm. So here is the installation stuff. So here in my terminal, first of all, I'm gonna split my terminal. And here I'm just gonna say npm install react stack grid. Hopefully the name, yeah, react stack grid. I'm gonna hit enter. That will take a second. It's really small library, and we should be able to see how we can use it. Now, in order for us to use it, we have to import only one component, which is the stack grid right here, and we have to go ahead and surround all the items with this stack grid component. Pretty straightforward. Now here is the library being installed. I'm gonna kill my terminal, the second one. I'm gonna minimize this one right here a bit, and here inside my photo list, first of all I have to import that component. So I'm just gonna say import stack grid. So stack grid like this, then I'm gonna import it from React stack grid. Really straightforward. Now if we go up here on the bottom, we should be able here, yeah, here I am mapping through all my items right here, right where I said sorted dot map dot whatever. So here I'm gonna surround these items or this expression with a grid stack component that I have imported. So once again, I'm just gonna say stack grid, I think, yeah, stack grid like this, and here I'm just gonna surround this expression like this. I'm gonna cut it and paste it here on our stack grid. Now if you take a look here, we got a problem right here, because what we want to do, we want to go ahead and let's say give it a property right here. So let me first of all check the import. Okay, it's not a default, it's not a named export, it's a default export. So I just have to say import stack grid from this thing right here. It's a default export. However, we have to pass it only one let's say one attribute, because if you take a look here, we got an issue right here. Our design is really tough, all right, or not going to look nice. Here we have a props that we can pass to our stack grid component. The only one that is required is the column width. Okay, we have to give it a column width that we can specify. All right, so here inside our stack grid, we can say column width like this equal to, for example, 400. All right, and let's take a look on it. There we got it like this. So it is really now it is much nicer than what we have previously. However, it's not a very, let's say, it's not a very nice up to this point, but at least now it is nicer than what we have previously. However, let me show you what we are going to do. This is not done. We will have a lot of stuff, but in this video I just fixed the issue of the problem where we got it like it was here in one line. Now we got it at least in a nicer looking and it's more readable. The style stuff is not done. In the next video we are going to add more styles. We will be taking a look on our custom styles or what we can apply. So thank you my friends so much for watching. See you in the next one.